In this video, we will see how to repair the LED lighting in a whirlpool bath. The LED lighting consists of 3 diodes connected in series. The repair involves replacing the LED strip, starting with the first faulty diode. To carry out this repair, you will need an LED and an LED connection wire. Here is the list of tools and materials required. Wear protective gloves. Remove the screw covers and fixing screws from the front panel. In our case, the central and left LEDs are no longer working. The power supply comes from the right LED. We are going to replace the central LED. The damaged connection will be replaced with a new LED connection wire. Start by cutting and removing the cable tie. Remove the LED. Disconnect the wire from the faulty LED connection. Connect the new wire. Carefully insert the new LED into its slot. Secure the cable with a cable tie. Replace the apron by inserting it in this way. Secure it with the screws, using a wedge if necessary. Replace the screw covers. Check out our other video tutorials on installing your bathtub.